What's up you guys, Sunny here with GeekTools.net and welcome to this quick video update on the Vertex 3 120GB SSD. Right now I have done a clean install of Mac OS X Lion. This is the 10.7.4 and as you can see I've already installed a couple of applications such as iPhoto, Skype, Blackmagic, Diskbench as you can see up here running right now. Just the minor applications mainly for benchmark usage. But right now I have to say that I have been extremely impressed with the SSD performance. Boot up times around 15 seconds, applications launched instantly. There is no such thing as boot time or load time with an SSD. And usually, I see bouncing up and down for minutes at a time. Right now it's just like boom, boom, boom. It's like a machine gun. So you will see this right now. Now, just a note here. This is a fresh out-of-the-box SSD. There's no firmware updates. I haven't tampered with it. If I tampered with it and actually updated the firmware to the latest, the performance is going to be significantly better because this is using a fairly old firmware. So I'll do that in my actual final review. But for now, I just slapped it in. I just want to test it out, and this is what I'm going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and start the benchmark. As you can see, the write speed is actually really bad. It's approximately the same as a high-performance hard drive, around 160 megabytes per second. However, as you can see, the read speeds are actually quite impressive. It's jumping all the way up to around 490 megabytes per second and almost reaching 500. On the box, it advertises a write speed around 500 and a read speed about 550. So I believe with the firmware update and all that tinkering around, I will be able to get those speeds. And once again, I will show you that in the actual video review. So these are just running. As you can see, these numbers are just going up and up as more you run it because it's being cached. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it. The write speed, once again, is really quite bad. I don't expect this from an SSD. I expect way better from an SSD, but that's what I'm getting right now. So I'm going to go ahead and quit my application and do a shutdown and a startup. Now, since this is a fresh install of Mac OS X Lion, it did go through a couple of updates. So I'm not sure if the shutdown times, okay, just shut down. As you can see, really fast. It was a lot quicker than I first started. So really fast shutdown times. Now watch this. Now I didn't time the shutdown time because really you can't time speeds like that. But I'm going to go ahead and time the startup times. So I got my handy dandy iPhone here, and as soon as I push the power button, I'm going to start the timer. So here we go. So there goes the Mac. There goes the ding. And just look at the wheel. You know Macs have this loading wheel. Look at it. Just try to find it. Yeah, that's right. There was no wheel. That's how fast the Mac booted up. There is no loading for the Mac to actually start up. It just starts up. I have been really impressed with it because on a normal hard drive, I just look at that loading wheel go around and around, get a cup of coffee or something, get a drink, eat my breakfast and come back upstairs and it's still loading. With this, there's no such thing as loading. It's just super fast. So I've been just blown away by the performance. By the way, let's do some application tests as well. Safari, App Store, Mail, Contacts, Calendar. Whoops, didn't click Contacts. iTunes, iPhoto. Oh, that took a little longer. Photo booth. You can see my camera setup if you want. There it is. That's the camera that I'm using. Settings. Don't know why I would open that. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, instantaneous. No such thing as loading. So, wow. That's all I have to say with the SSD. I did not expect such a huge difference. But clearly, it is phenomenal. The amount of productivity, the speed, the quickness of the machine. It just feels so much better. It's kind of hard to explain, really, from what I'm used to from this slow, clunky machine. And this is no slouch. This is a quad-core, 2.2 gigahertz, 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is a pretty maxed out machine. However, even with all those specs, it was just slow, sluggish. Really, nothing was that impressive about the machine. But after adding this SSD, the performance increase out of it is just phenomenal. Especially at the price that I paid for this SSD, 120 gigabytes for $99. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and buy a couple more. So really cool stuff. definitely recommended. Wait for the actual full review when I actually have everything installed on this machine. I could do some real benchmarks, some real results, real life results for you guys. So that is it. If you guys have any more questions or comments, email me sunny@mastersunny.com. Let's look at that startup once again. I'm just going to shut it down really fast once again. And here we go. I'm not going to time it this time because I already timed it before. Now remember, SSDs cache things. So the more times you restart, the more times you open your normally accessed programs, the faster the machine will respond. As you can see, there was a little bit of a loading wheel, whatever, but really, super fast. Super, super fast. So that is it, you guys. If you guys have any more questions or comments, email me, sunny@mastersunny.com, visit my website, geektools.net, add me on my personal MSN, mastersunny@hotmail.com, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace out.